Hello friends, we have learned 3-letter words of sound A. Now we will learn some other sounds of vowel A. A man ran to the van. A fan is in the van. A mat is by the van. A fat cat is on the mat. A rat is on a bat. A hat is on the rat. A car, here the sound is different from these sounds. A car is by the dam. A man is in the car. A bag is on the car. The bag has a tag. A ram is by the car. The ram has ham. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and thank you very much for your support.